So what is going on, guys? This is Cyberpen, and in this video I am going to teach you on how to gain more views by creating the right or good thumbnail. So this is really great for both monetized and non-monetized channel. For monetized channel, if you have a great thumbnail and people will click on your video, people will see your ads, and you'll gain more revenue. And for non-monetized channel, if you'll receive more clicks, you'll receive much watch hours and reach more possible subscribers, making you much closer for monetization. So it doesn't matter on however good your video is, as long as people doesn't click on the thumbnail, you won't get any views, you won't get any interaction, and monetized channels won't get any revenue. So I'm gonna help you make a better thumbnail to gain more views. The app that I'm using right now is PicsArt. It's really great, easy to use, and it doesn't have a watermark. I'm not promoting this or anything. It's just the app that I'm using. So it's free to use and you can download it for free. So first, select fit to choose the right ratio for your canvas. The ratio that you should select is of YouTube, which is of 16:9. So you can select any color that you want, transparent or red, blue, whatever. But the color that I'm using right now is black. So after choosing your color, then select any styles that you want to add. Choose the sticker and my stickers. I already made some, so I don't need an internet connection. So let's adjust that to the size that you want. So if you're making a thumbnail, the trick is your thumbnail has to be precise and descriptive. So what does that mean though? It means that your thumbnail itself explains precisely your video topic or the video that you are making right now. For example, this one. I'm adding multiple elements into my thumbnails, like this text and these graphs. So as you can see, I'm putting the word views on the top of this graph to show the increase of views if you try and follow these steps. So views, you can also choose different fonts, anything that you want depending on your style and depending on what you like. So let's just select Limelight. Then I'm gonna adjust the color. Your colors are also very important, and that brings us to the next element of a thumbnail, which is attractive yet simple. Yes, your thumbnail has to be attractive yet simple, like this. It's really simple, as you can see. There's just a graph and the word that I'm using, but of course I'm gonna add more elements later. So why does it have to be attractive yet simple? It needs to be attractive to, of course, attract more people to click on your thumbnail, and it needs to be simple so that just by looking or staring at your thumbnail, your viewers will easily understand your topic and will click on your thumbnail so that they can view your video. So I'm adding another element right now. So how to make a thumbnail? Then question mark. Okay. Let's select a different color, a color that will fit to our other elements. So as you can see, I'm just using at least two separate text and one graphic element, which is the graph. So it is very simple yet attractive at the same time, because that's the reason that you are now watching my video and you're here because you clicked into my thumbnail. So how to make a thumbnail? So wait, that's the color, my bad. So let's probably change the stroke. Let's choose the blue one to make it a little bit lighter. Okay, how to make a thumbnail. So the next technique that I'm going to teach you, or the next element that your thumbnail should have, is it needs to connect to your title. So like this one, the topic of my video is on how to attract more viewers because of your thumbnail, or how to make a thumbnail through PicsArt. And as you can see, the element of how to make a thumbnail is already added to my thumbnail, so that people will see it right away and they will know the topic of my video just by looking at that simple thumbnail. So I'm gonna add one more element. Just flip that. Let's make that smaller. Okay. Let's just add that there. Let's look for the right font. That's probably good. So of course we're gonna choose green. So just like that. Going back to the first tip, to be precise and descriptive, it already describes that this video that I'm making teaches on how to make a thumbnail, how to gain more views, and how to earn more revenues for monetized channels. So that's great. Sigma 1, that's probably enough. So that's it. It's very simple. I hope you learned something. It's a free app, you can use it. It's very easy. You can download it from the Play Store and you can use it in making thumbnails for your videos. It also doesn't have a watermark, so yeah, just remember those tips. It has to be precise and descriptive. It has to be attractive yet simple, and it needs to connect to your title. Do all that tips on your thumbnail and you'll gain more views in just a few days or time. So this is Cyberpen and thanks for watching.